All right, quick update on the Accord. I did quite a lot since the last video, but we've reached the point where all I've got to do now is take the transmission out. That's it. You know, just that. So no more distributor sitting on the, I don't know, what do you call this area? Yeah, that's where it's sitting. Bumpers off, fenders off. That's because of this. There's some damage in there. Before I bought it, somebody had a bit of a fender bender. That's why the front right fender was weird. And they painted it and, well, the paint kind of rejected itself. So that's why it was like that. But anyway, hood's on the roof. And it's ready to go. All I got to do now, like I said, that's all I got to do, is take the entire transmission out and replace it with that one. Yep. Stay tuned, folks.